like the first video did pretty good. Say cheese. That's my granddaughter, my youngest one. No, she's not. Torrin's my youngest one. That's my middle age. Part 1 did really good. Let's look at part 2. Let's get straight to it because I got this. Small update. Stuff needs to get painted. Okay. I don't know if you can tell with the sun, but I wire brushed these pipes and did a lot of Scotch-Brite, that thing. Just greased it all. Elbow greased. It's a little chunky up in that way, and I got the straps off of the tank, sitting on that jack, waiting on the buddy to come help me get it out because there's gas in it. I know I put it in there. Aw. No virus check. Check this out. That was just from a splash of gas out of this tank. I mean, there's still fuel in it. I just dumped it over enough to fill this dog bowl up. And that one's half full. I bet I contaminated my new oil or fuel filter that I put in there. I can't have that. I mean, you can shoot. And there's more. Cannot leave that in the truck again tonight. I like to die on the way to work this morning. My buddy's not coming over. I guess I'll just take this tank out on my own. Alright, here we go. What I found. This tank, I don't know if you can see in there or not. Listen to this. It's covered in sand. It's like and the float's not in there. Like, did it sink? Look. Thinking that ain't gonna float or work. I'm gonna replace the whole thing. Clean that tank out with some marbles or something. Look at this one. Also, no float. And this was just kicking around, floating around in the tank. I don't know, there's supposed to be something in it. But that's what I've been relying on to feed my fuel to me. This thing. This doesn't smell as bad as that other one. But there's junk all in it. And half a tank. And no float. Hello? Where's the floats? Well. Rock Auto, here we go. Okay, so I think that's the thing that selects between the tanks. Because there's 4 lines going to it. The top 2 go to this tank I just removed. So I'm thinking the bottom 2 are for the rear tank. I wonder if I should clean that thing out. I don't know if it has a problem selecting between the 2. It's got a problem with everything else, and it looks like this might be a speedo cable. It's kind of wet. On an O-ring or something. And 2 lines come out and go to this thing, which I'm assuming is another pump. And the high side goes into it and comes out and goes into this filter and then on up. What is that thing? Huh. I'll have it figured out before it's over with. I gotta get all this redone. I'm gonna blow these lines out. All of them. Can't have sand in the fuel system. First, I say soap and scrub. And what is this? What is that? It's between the belt housing and the transmission. Rear main. New oil. That's my oil I just put in. Yep. Ugh. Oh, was I gonna separate that then? Oh, come on, let's just not look at it anymore. I think all that wetness is from the power steering issue I had in the garage. I think I'll just be cleaning for the rest of the day. I am thinking about taking that out, making sure that works. Can't be too difficult. Top side, bottom side. Somehow it's got to select between the two. Between this one and this one. That's probably a reservoir. There's probably a plunger or something selects between this top and bottom. I'll get in there and get it cleaned up. And if it don't work, I'll throw it away. And figure out how to combine these hoses and drink both tanks same time or something. I don't know. Well, we're getting there. 2 p.m. Feeling kind of over it today. I need a distraction. I need to get away from this thing. It's gonna drive me crazy. Look at there. Well, a good yard, push mow it. Keep the heavy machines off of it altogether. I'm gonna go against the grain today. Look at that. Take my mind off that. That's all the way up too. One click from it. I'm gonna get after it. Well, now it's 2:30 and I'm done with this. I get the blower out. Down. Birds are going hungry. Alan Hain who? Shoot, I got better grass than Snoop Dogg. Alright, looks like I'm closing down. Went ahead and got some primer at rusty primer stuff on the stuff that I already you know, scuffed up so it don't rust out. Put that tank underneath the bed like it's been its whole life. Put this tank in there. And just for tomorrow, I've got this stuff. I can paint and stuff. Put my filing cabinets on the side and put tools up there. So I got that stuff dangling from the ceiling and paint it tomorrow. If it rains, we'll start raining at 5 in the morning. We'll see. So that's Rachel's car. Thanks for watching part 2. Stick around, I'll show you how we painted this with Rust-Oleum spray bombs. Rachel and I. Of course, she had the reins on this deal, but we did it right here. Stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll see.